Think you can just escape taxes? Think again. You don't even need to be rich. You don't even need to own anything because the government, they're gonna come for your money anyway. A tax on what you earn, a tax on what you buy, and now a tax on what you don't even own. Welcome to the new era where even owning nothing doesn't get you off the hook. So let's be real. Taxation started as a temporary thing. Back in 1913, the income tax was introduced at just 1%, and today, the average American loses 24 to 40% of their income to taxes. And the government? Oh, well, they'll just be adding new ones. We have income tax for the earners, sales tax for when you buy, capital gains tax for when you're investing, property tax for owning, estate tax for when you die. That's right, they even get you after your death. And now we're entering a new era because the governments are running out of money. And what happens when the government goes broke? They just get creative. So let's just talk about the new insane tax proposals that are being circulated right now. We have wealth taxes. They're not just on your income, but on your now net worth. You have a mileage tax, a tax on every mile supposedly that you drive. There is a meat tax. Yeah, they're literally thinking about taxing your burger. You have social media taxes. You think it's crazy? Well, it's already happening in some of the other countries. And the real kicker, there's a tax on renters, because even if you don't own a house, certain states are already proposing to introduce a renter's tax to offset property taxes. So let me get this straight. You work, you get taxed. You invest, you get taxed. You drive, you get taxed. You rent, still taxed. Let's do some quick math here. The US national debt is at $34 trillion. Annual deficit is at over $1.5 trillion. Government revenue? Not nearly enough. So they really need more money. And where do you think they will get it from? Not from billionaires, not from corporations, from you. Guess what? The wealthy, they already know how to game the system. They park the money offshore. They use legal loopholes. They pay accountants to find them for them. They structure income to avoid taxes altogether. And you have a W-2 that gets sliced up each and every way before you even see a paycheck. So before you say tax the rich, what it really means is tax the middle class into the oblivion. How do we fight back? If you think that voting for a different party is gonna fix it, I have bad news for you. You don't fight anything by complaining. You fight them by playing the game smarter. So 1, become a business owner, because businesses get tax credits while employees get tax bills. Use tax advantage accounts, IRAs, HSA, use them all. Buy appreciating assets, real rental properties, stocks, even collectibles. Reallocate it strategically, because not all states are the same. Some states have zero income tax. And lastly, invest in legal tax planning, because wealthy don't pay their fair share, they pay better accountants. So the future of taxes is brutal, but the real winners, they're not just fighting back, they're playing the system, they're playing the game better. Comment below, what are some ways that you use to save on taxes, and don't forget to like and subscribe.